Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, it's been a long time that I haven't uploaded any video. I thought because I had been into a lot of things. I completed my MPhil and then I did my IELTS test. But now I am free, and so I thought that I should share my IELTS journey with you guys, that how it was, what was the most easiest thing in that, what was the most difficult thing in that, and then yeah, there were of course a lot of queries and questions that I had in my mind when I started the preparation, and a lot of times the answers weren't available on YouTube or anywhere else. So I thought that those questions may be the questions of everyone. So I should answer those tiny little questions here on my YouTube channel so it may help the other people. I got 7 band in my IELTS, and Alhamdulillah, that was the requirement, and that was the thing that I prepared for. So I will share with you guys my journey, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.